My name is Pratap Sharma. My age is 73. Retired from corporate management of multinational companies. I was a sportsman, and after retirement, I used to walk a lot. And then the knee problems started. Then one night suddenly I could not get up from the bed and my knee got locked. So that is the time I thought that I must do something about the knee. Since I stay here in Vasundhara Enclave, and I heard about Dr. Murthy, a very efficient and very good surgeon for knee replacement. I came here and consulted him, and he suggested bilateral operation for knee replacement, TKR. So I got myself admitted here in 6th April 2022.
वो आराम से अब चल पा रहे हैं, अपना काम कर पा रहे हैं, तो उम्र भी कोई इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है। अगर पेशेंट फिट है 90 साल में भी हम करते हैं, क्योंकि चलना आपका हक बनता है। बहुत फायदा रहता है नी रिप्लेसमेंट। लोग डरते हैं कि नी रिप्लेसमेंट मतलब होता है कि घुटना निकाल के नया एक जॉइंट बना दिया, वो नहीं होता है। ओनली उसके ऊपर कैप लगाते हैं, बोन मसल्स आप ही का होता है। अगर कोई मेडिकल इश्यू नहीं है और आप फिट हो तो उम्र का कोई ख्याल नहीं रखना है, सर्जरी करा लेना चाहिए, क्योंकि अपना काम करना अपना हक बनती है।
The operation was very good, the staff is very good, the hospital environment is very good, and after operation, taking care of patients is very good. So overall, we have a very wonderful experience in this hospital. This hospital has become a part of us now. I have been here for many things, consultations and operations, but TKR was the best, I must say, and I must thank Dr. Murthy for what he did to me, and now I'm absolutely normal, and I have no issue. The operation techniques are so good that earlier days people used to say that you cannot sit cross-legged, but I have no issue, absolutely no issue by sitting cross-legged and the like. So I must thank again Dr. Murthy and his team.